lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as you guys can see by the title below, man, today it's not looking too good outside. We got a little drizzle, a little rain going on, so I'm gonna do a little POV drive in the rain. So make sure y'all grab your snack, your little drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy this little POV drive. I'm gonna try not to talk as much as I normally do, because I know y'all want to hear the engine and stuff. Before we really get started into this POV, this little highway POV drive in the rain, I just want to let y'all know this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Completely stock, just a resonator and muffler delete. So it does got some tone to it. If you don't already know, if you don't already watch my videos. But yeah, hopefully y'all can see good. I'm gonna try to keep the camera up at a good angle. I know I gotta get a GoPro. I know a lot of y'all telling me to grab a GoPro and stuff. I'm gonna get one, don't worry. It's coming, but as of right now, we just gonna rock out with the phone. It don't look too bad. I like the phone quality, so. Feel me, we got this little Toyota Corolla in front of me. Come on, bro. Who that shit? You got this dude. I hate that shit. All right, we on the highway. Finally on the highway, man. It's raining right now, so I ain't gonna go too crazy with the traction off type shit. It's gonna be a calm POV drive. It's been like 10 days since I posted a video, so feel me, fuck with this, John. I'm gonna have the windows down at some parts of the video. Don't mind my windshield wipers. I know they're looking a little crazy right now. I gotta upgrade. I gotta get new wipers. Hopefully y'all can see everything pretty good. Don't turn, don't get in his lane. Big Hemi coming through. I'm gonna turn them off. They don't need to be going that fast, to be honest. If it gets bad, then I'll just turn it back on. This rain is blowing me, bro. I think I need an oil change too, y'all. I'm at like 10% right now. Let me see. Oh, I'm at 7. Your boy's at 7% oil life. I'm gonna change my oil either tomorrow or sometime today. It's raining, so I don't know if I feel like doing it today. Probably do it tomorrow, to be honest. Your boy need an oil change badly. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull just to turn y'all up a little bit. Wake her up a little bit, feel me? I apologize if the camera's shaking a lot. My car is lower too, so I feel every single bump. This shit is ass. By the way, if you're tuned in right now, if you're not already subscribed to my other channel, lorShift Vlogs with a Z at the end of it, go subscribe to that. I will throw it up right here. That's the channel that I've been on a lot. I'm not gonna lie, that's why I haven't been uploading on this one. But I'm gonna try to, you know, go back and forth. This Benz hard as shit though. Hold on, y'all. Look at this. This joint tough. Oh, hey, got that joint right. Oh, hey, got that Benz right. Green brakes and everything. We not here for that though. We here for the RT, for the 5.7. One thing I can say about this car, bro, like, it just feels good to just drive in this joint. Like, I can literally just drive anywhere and just, it's just a chill little drive. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if y'all know what I'm trying to say, but I just feel good being in this car at all times. Just driving. Like, I could do this all day. Before I had this joint, I ain't feel like going nowhere. I want food, feel me? I'm going out to grab that shit. I don't order no more. I literally just drive, bro. I drive. Shit fun. Y'all gonna see when y'all get this car, bro. Y'all just gonna feel good. I know it's a RT, but bro, why is this Tesla trying to get on my ass, yo? What's wrong with them? What's wrong with bro? The red joint behind me. I'ma slow down. Yeah, move over, you fucking iPhone. That's why you got hit by that traffic, and I did too. Don't turn, buddy. Hold on. Let's get in this left lane right here. Little cut up action. Little cut up action. In the rain. I don't know what the title of this video. I feel like a lot of my POV drives are the same titles. Highway POV, rain POV, highway rain POV, like same shit. I gotta switch it up, y'all. They all different videos though. And what matters is the views and my supporters. So if you really rocking with me, you got my post noties on, you tapped into my POV drives, I fuck with you. W mans. For real. People don't be real. Like, y'all ever just be driving and you look to your right or left and people are just like 10-2ing, looking dead ass straight, like on some robot shit. Like, they just don't be looking real. Like they drive with their head up or something. Should be weird. It ain't pouring, but it's a little drizzle right now. Look at dude's plate. That joint say eat cake. What the hell? It's a good angle right here. Perfect angle. This rain is so ass. It rains every Saturday, I swear, bro. It rains every Saturday. Like, literally, bro. Shit is annoying. Oh my God. That joint felt crazy. Starting to come down a little bit more. Chill out before I spin out. I gotta chill out before I spin out. It's raining, so ain't really much more I can really do. Getting off on the highway right now. About to hit this little road. To the right. No, don't get me hit by the red light. Kept it pushing, bro. I'm not stopping for that jump. I ain't gonna lie, Dunkin' Donuts sounds so rocking right now. By the way, it's currently 12 o'clock p.m. As you guys can see. We were in regular street mode as well. We weren't in track. Our traction was on as well, so. She sound good as shit, bro. Is that an SRT Durango? Ew, SRT. Bro, SRT Durangos are so hard. Like, look at their stance, bro. It's just so hard. Approaching this roundabout right now. Sound good, bro. If I could spin this, I would, but I don't do illegal things like that, y'all. That's the perfect little spinny bendy John. Little roundabout you can really get bendy at. Got a tunnel. God, bro. Oh, we got a little pony. Widebody Chally scat. Ew. Alright, yo, I need to find me a little Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm gonna probably end this video right here, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, of course. Comment and subscribe for your boy. Once again, if you're not already tapped into my other channel, lorShift Vlogs, go tap into that right now. Once again, I will throw it right here for y'all. So go tune into that. That's my starting to become my main channel. I had 2,000 subs within 4 videos. So feel me, we growing fast on that channel. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna continue to drive on this channel as well. You know, because a lot of y'all just like to see my POVs and hear more about my RT. So I'm gonna continue to drop. So make sure y'all hit that bell, man. But it's lorShift, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video.